Hello friends, greetings from Iceland, cold and icy Iceland. Not icy but cold. Today it's cold, the coldest day of all that I've been at the volcano. Not because of the temperature of the year, but the cold wind is blowing from that direction. And we are right in the clouds. Clouds are blowing over us, cold clouds, and it's a bit chilly to be here, to be honest. The volcano is erupting. As you see now, it's not so well visible because of the clouds, but let's zoom in. Wow, this is the volcano. How it looks today. 11 times zoom, 20 times zoom into the lava pot. We had a wall collapse, part of the wall here slided over. I didn't manage to catch it, but it was so spectacular. I saw it like with my eyes when it happened, but my camera was fixed on something else and I didn't catch it. Life at the volcano. This is how it looks when there are clouds on the mountain and volcano on the fog. In the fog, it's good I took a jacket today because it's so cold. Like chilly wind. But it gives this mysterious look, the fog. Outworldish look. This is my backpack and my drone. I'm just downloading one app before I take off. So Iceland in the fog, a volcano in the fog, in the clouds. I have to get lower to film because from here you can't see anything.